You mad, bro? Well, I hope by the end of this, you understand why. The hypothalamus, which is not a dinosaur, is located at the base of the brain, somewhere near the optic nerves, which is in a cross pattern, and it's nestled in between. It secretes hormones that controls the pituitary gland, which secretes different hormones. It's just more hormones on top of hormones. It also controls the water balance throughout your body, as well as your sleep, appetite, temperature, and blood pressure. It controls a lot. It's not a dinosaur. Remember that. The pituitary gland, the thyroid gland, or the parathyroid gland could be culprits. The pituitary gland, which is located below the brain, controls the other glands of the endocrine system. Its next door neighbors are the thyroid and parathyroid. These are located on the front of the neck. The thyroid controls the metabolism, while the parathyroid controls the regulation of the body's calcium balance. Could be the thymus or pancreas. The thymus, being located pretty much on top of the heart, produces white blood cells that attack diseases or abnormal cells. The pancreas is on your backside behind the stomach. This plays a huge role in digestion, as well as producing hormones such as insulin and glucose, which regulates your levels of blood sugar. A man's testes are located in a pouch that hangs suspended outside the male body. The testes produce testosterone and sperm. A woman's ovaries are located on both sides of the uterus, below the opening of the fallopian tubes that extend from the uterus to the ovaries, in addition to containing the egg cells necessary for reproduction. The ovaries also produce estrogen and progesterone. These also happen to be in the reproductive system. The adrenal gland could be it's most likely the adrenal gland. There is an adrenal gland on top of each kidney. They work in tandem with the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. The adrenal glands make corticosteroid. This helps fight inflammation and aids in your immune response, along with maintaining blood pressure. And epinephrine, this gets your heart pumping harder and harder and is a main factor in fight or flight response. It controls whether your heart beats faster or beats slower. Epinephrine is also a neurotransmitter, as well as a medication that can be used for allergic reactions or other life-threatening situations. Not to mention they look like they have your kidneys have little tiny hats, or calamari, or puke. Gross. All in all, it's your endocrine system. Everything I just discussed is a part of the endocrine system, working with one another to achieve the one goal of homeostasis. The endocrine system has systems that it helps and systems that gets help sent back. The reason you are mad is because of the hormones that are coursing through your body. I even have a little diagram for you to give you a little thing where they're at. That concludes my presentation on the endocrine system. Hope you enjoyed.